How to earn on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will explore different ways to earn on Aquarius. So basically, when you open up this Aqua Networks website, it is the liquidity layer on Stellar. So when you go onto the rewards, you will be able to see that there are around 7 million aquas given out daily. So you can just earn this particular aqua by participating in AMM or STEX daily rewards. These rewards are divided as per some formula which has been initiated recently. So when you scroll down in the reward section, you will be able to find that there are different pairs over here, and there are some stellar decentralized exchange rewards at one side, and also the automated market maker rewards. So basically the total rewards are also over here, and you can earn these rewards by participating in the STEX or AMM of these particular pairs. And for AMM rewards, you can simply use Stellar X. For that, just connect your wallet and provide liquidity on Stellar X. Suppose you want to participate in the AMM rewards of this particular pair, then you need to purchase the EURC and KRWC. EURC is basically the digital form of Euro, and KRWC is for Korean Won. So after converting your crypto half in Euro and half in KRWC, you will be able to participate in AMM rewards on Stellar Dex. So I just logged into Stellar Dex, and after logging into Stellar Dex, you will be able to find the option of AMM over here. Just go to the liquidity section, and here just click on add liquidity. Now select both the pairs that you want to invest in, and after that click on add liquidity, and it will prompt some action on the lobster. Just accept it, and this way you would be able to participate in the AMM rewards. And for the STEX, just go to the lobster and just place your order on a particular pair, and you will be getting rewards as per the position of your order and the amount of your order. So if the amount of your order is bigger than rest of the orders in the list, and also if it is closer to the market price, you will be earning more rewards than anyone else. But it has its own risk, so you need to keep all the risk in your mind. Like impermanent loss is there when you participate in AMM daily rewards, and in STEX also there are some scam pairs, so you can lose all your money if you don't participate quite carefully. And if you need any help with any of these pairs or rewards, you can just simply email me. I can consult you, but there will be some charges for it. So just let me know in comments if you need any help. I will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.